Alright, back again. Today we got out the old Sega Astro City STV, and I figured we'd put in this game here. So this is Baku Animal. It's a really kind of strange puyo puzzle, Tetris, I don't know what else you want to call it, original game. Really wild as far as the concept goes. Now, with the different pieces that fall in this game, you have like pandas, wolves, rabbits, monkeys, and like here you can see the faces. What you also have is you have food, and as the food comes down, you can normally see like the faces of the animals change, but they'll go and they'll eat it, and it's really wild, really weird concept. This one's like this instantly. The wolf right there. Let's see if we can adjust this anymore. Yeah, it's you know, I never really played this game before. Just popped it in, I was like, what the hell is this concept? It's just so strange. So basically throughout the whole game, I mean, it's just like this. You're, you know, trying to match the wolves with the bones, and the monkeys with the bananas, the rabbits with the carrots, and the pandas with the bamboo. It's just a wild situation. Sometimes if you put it next to like two of the same animals, and you have like two carrots to go with two rabbits, they'll both eat it at the same time. It's just weird. And these magical coins here will take away anything that's that it lands on. I honestly don't know if there's any other platforms this thing was released on. It's just, you know, like I said, it's the first time I've seen it, so I'm not quite sure about this at all. That is a lot of shit. Woo. Damn. We get smoked. Yeah. So yeah, anyway, this is kind of what it looks like. Baku Animal. But yeah, as you go on and you beat the different stages and stuff, you know, you go against different characters, kind of like what was it? Like the magical drop, like I mentioned before, there's some of the other puzzle games that are just similar to this, Puyo Puyo, whatever. But, yeah, interesting concept. So, yeah, I'd like to know if this thing was released for any other systems or any other platforms besides just this. It's a really wild game. But, like always, I'll put up another video here soon. Just want to show you a little bit of what Baku Baku Animal looked like. And, thanks for watching.